What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my full face, at least the majority of my face, with one palette. Okay, we're going to be using the Makeup Forever HD Skin Essentials palette to do my entire face. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, I already primed my face with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and I already did my brows. I didn't use the palette to do my brows, but I did use it to clean up under my brows. So let's just go ahead and get into the palette. Okay, if you have not seen it, it looks like this. And I have been using this because I've been trying to, figure out the best way that I can use it, because it's expensive. And, I don't 100%, I won't say I don't 100% think it's worth it. I do think it's worth it after using it, and maybe this video will show you why. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into foundation. I'm gonna use these two shades. Don't mind my nail. I'm gonna use these two shades right here because there's not like a perfect color in here for me, honestly. So I just mix these two, and I'm gonna apply those with the Makeup by Mario F4 brush, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face. And these creams are super, super light. I thought they were gonna be heavy, so I was kind of scared as far as like using this on my whole face, but they're real light, real light. Like, it feels like you're wearing nothing. All right, foundation is done. Next, we're gonna move on to contour slash bronzer. I'm gonna use these two shades here on the other side of the F4 brush, and I'm just gonna contour and bronze up my face. I like to use both of these because I feel like you can't really tell because I've been going back and forth, but I feel like the bronzing shade, the lighter shade, is a little bit too red, and then this one is like super dark. So I just mix them both. If I feel like I've done like a little too much, I'm just gonna flip to the other side where I had my foundation and just soften it up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose as well, and I'm gonna take the lighter shade. All right, now we're gonna move into blush, which is probably my favorite. The blushes in here are so good, y'all. So you get 4 blushes. I think I'm just gonna mix the bottom two, these two right here. Ooh, that was a lot. That was a lot of blush. It's okay. Ciao. This is a lot. Okay, since I did that so heavy, I'm just gonna go back in with my foundation brush, soften that up a little bit, because that's a lot of blush right there. A lot of blush. Next, we're gonna move on to concealer. I'm going to take these two shades right here for my concealer and just mix those together. If you can't tell, I'm just mixing everything, and it works. This palette is good for that. Okay, so that's pretty much the face done. I'm gonna go ahead and set with a little bit of powder, not too much, just a little bit. And I'm gonna set the rest of my face. I just use my One Size powder in translucent, and I'm gonna use my Sephora Micro Smooth powder for the rest of my face. Okay, that's the face done. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to eyes, because yes, we are doing our eyes with this palette as well. Let me find a brush. Okay, for eyes, I'm gonna take that like bronzy shade, and I'm just gonna run that across my whole lid. Okay, I'm gonna take that under my lash line as well. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlighter. It does come with 2 highlighters up here. I'm just gonna take this one and tap it onto my face with my finger. All right, guys, I'm gonna throw on some mascara, and then we pretty much done. The last thing I'm gonna use this palette for, you guys, is for my lips. I don't know if it's necessarily lip safe. I feel like with it being as versatile as it is, it's probably safe for the lips as well. So I'm just gonna take this shade right here, and I'm just gonna pop some of that on my lip, you know? Just a little color. And then, you know me, I gotta throw on a little gloss. So I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. lip oil and put that on top. Oh my goodness. What is happening? All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. It was super quick, super simple. It's very light, very like fresh. It don't really take no effort at all. And the only things that I used outside of this palette were brow pencil, mascara, powder, and lip. And that's it. So yeah, this is the look. I know I was a little skeptical about this palette as far as the price goes and how small it is, but it is super versatile. It'll be perfect for travel. I don't travel, but I'm a stay-at-home mom with twins, so it'd be a lot going on, and I don't be having time to just put on a whole bunch of makeup most days, and most of the time I don't even feel like doing that. So this is good for like a very quick, easy, light, fresh, almost no makeup. Like I feel like it still looks like I have makeup on, but it's not a whole lot, you know what I'm saying? It's not a whole lot. And these are so light. And the pan size actually, like, I guess you can't really tell how deep it is, but I think that this will actually last a pretty long time. Like, I don't really think you're gonna be running out of this. So yeah, I actually really like it. Let me put my glasses on so we can, you know, see what I really be looking like. But yeah, I really like the palette. I think it is worth the money. It is $88 US But again, if you're somebody who travels a lot or you don't have a lot of time, you want to keep your makeup routine super simple, I think that this is an awesome little palette. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I do basically a full face with one palette. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see y'all in the next video.